Welcome to our instructional video on replacing filter Z in the Winix C610 Air Purifier. This flashing red light is the filter replacement indicator. Once it starts flashing red, you know it's time to replace the filters. First, turn off the unit and unplug it from the power source. To access the filter, gently turn the air purifier over and twist the bottom panel to remove it. After removing the bottom panel, you'll see the old filter attached to the base. Unscrew the white inner screw holding the top piece to release the filter. Place the new filter into the circular base of the unit. Then fit the top plastic holder over the filter and finally secure the assembly with the inner screw. Place the assembled filter and base back into the unit. Gently return the air purifier to its upright position, plug it in and turn it on. Hold the filter reset button until you hear a beep. This resets the filter life, so the indicator will remind you again when it's time for the next replacement. Congratulations! Your new filter Z is now installed and your air purifier is ready to go.